Okay, good morning, everyone. Happy Sunday. Um, yeah, it's been a week since conference, so I'm still kind of reeling with everything that happened, so it was pretty exciting. I just need a quick drink. Um, and yes, so next, not 2 Thursdays from now, so April 4th is when we're going to go live with the new season. So there's still lots of time to get last chance items. Hello, Celine. So getting last chance items, so like shepherd's pie, chicken stew, the herb gravy, things like that. If you are interested in that, the 15% code or 10 or the mystery promo code, so 10 to 20%, is still going until Monday, the 25th. So if you got that and you're interested, go ahead and use it. If you need help, message me, and we can chat about that. We still have the awesome host special, which are these cute little containers, which I'm actually going to be using today. That goes on March and April, so you still have a chance to get that. So if you want to have your own cooking event, whether it be Facebook or in person or Zoom or just a catalog order, I can give you a little like scrolly thing on phones if your people are all into that. Whichever it might be, comes with a video and everything, so it does talk about everything if that's something you want. So you can still get these. Also just get up to 20% as well on freebies that way. Yeah, and with the new season, it's a perfect time to host. So if you want to do that, I can do a big event and we can all share. I am doing an in-person event this afternoon. So if you're in the area, Etobicoke, Kipling, and Dundas, message me, come stop in, grab some of the catalog, maybe grab something to eat, try something in new season. If you can't make it, I am doing on April 7th. Same thing, 1 o'clock to 3 o'clock, open house, come in, try some new products, win a prize, get a catalog, whichever is more, whichever day is better for you. And then, of course, if you want to go all the way in it and get discounts every time you purchase and sell and share with all your family and friends, right now to join, it's $19.95, which is pretty cool, 60% off the Access Pass. And it gets you access to the website, your e-commerce, the back office, all that kind of stuff, some catalogs. And then from there, you can just get whatever you want with the 20% or 25%. Off of whatever products you want. You can have a launch party. You can do all that. It's a perfect time to do it because it's a new season, right? So lots of cool specials and things happening and events. And here I'm going to go ahead and get prepared for some breakfasts and some lunches for the week. So I'm just going to boil up some eggs. I have chicken thighs chopped up here. This is my lunch. What I'm going to actually use is teppanyaki. So good. And this is where the spoon comes into. If you don't use any anti-caking stuff, you can scrape up the edges. So that's kind of what happens. All right. Need a bit more than that. Oops. That's probably a bit much. Alrighty. A tiny bit of sesame seed oil or no oil, it's whatever. It's just a flavor profile thing. I'm not going to put that much in. A little bit of rice vinegar. Mix that up. All right. Okay. So this is for my lunches. So like my salads, because we have all these vegetables and stuff. So these would be like my protein on my salad. So in the steamer, it could be a smaller steamer. I like my round one. It's convenient. I will go with 7 minutes to start because I like to mix it up. Turn my eggs down. All right. So that's, in essence, my breakfast and lunch is good to go. I'll put them into my prep bowls, put them in the fridge, and we're set. The next thing I'm going to do is give you a little sneak peek to a few things. This is our cool picture. And this is a new tea. Woo, it's a new tea coming. Very exciting. So gonna get some tea going for everybody to try today. And this is Bella Bellini. So it's a peach one. It is herbal. So again, no worry about caffeine and that. And it's got hibiscus flower, apple, sweet orange, rose hip, peach flavor, passion fruit, and lemongrass. And everything's pretty much organic, which is great. And this is one of our new teas. A lot of other yummy teas and stuff are coming in April as well. So yeah. Just going to do some hot water just to get it going, and then put the rest that and throw it in the fridge and let it steep. You can add some sugar if you want. Do I have any sugar? That's a good question. Cane sugar. Okay, so I have a bit of cane sugar. Add that. All right, so there we go. Tea is ready. Just going ahead and let it steep for this afternoon. Okay, so that's the tea. Next little sneak peek I can do is the dill honey mustard. So I showed that earlier this week on my salad. We actually even used it for Vic did scalps for me. Sorry, I'm trying to remember. Anyway, so this one here. Sorry, I was trying to show you the color. There you go. So you whisk 2 tablespoons each of dressing, apple cider vinegar, and some honey, 2/3 of a cup of mayo. And then if you want, you can put some dill pickle juice into it as well. So I might do that today to try it. So obviously mustard's in here, inactive nutritional yeast, dill, onion, garlic, and turmeric. So there we go. So that, some apple cider vinegar. Whisk. Oh, there we go. Whisk. And some honey. Anyway, what you guys doing? What are you making this week? Anything interesting? Having some plans? Hello, Julie. Any plans? I'm very messy today, but that's all right. All right. A good amount of, I got me vegan mayo here. I got some honey, and a bit of apple cider vinegar, the new salad dressing, which is so good. And then I'm going to mix in some dill juice, dill pickle juice. And this is what people can dip some vegetables in today, and give it a try. And then basically the rest of the thing is some dill pickle juice. So the rest of my meal prep really for today will be just setting up for this afternoon. So I'm going to chop up some carrots and some green beans, to try a couple of the new seasonings, because I do have someone coming who's vegan, or vegetarian, sorry, not vegan, vegetarian. So we'll try it with vegetables, and we'll try it with some chicken. All right. Ooh. It's really good with a dill pickle. All right. Okay. So yes, I'm going to chop up some chicken, which I know you don't want to see me do because it's boring. I'm going to have 3 different flavors because there's 3 new meal solutions to try. And then I'm going to chop up green beans and carrots and do the same thing. So dividing up the sauces for the carrots and green beans and the chicken separately, so nothing is touching anything. Um, so they'll try different flavors that way. We'll try some flavors, vegetables with that. We'll have some raw veggies to dip into this one here, the dill mustard one, the honey dill mustard. And then there actually is another one that's hot. We're going to try that one as well, but I'll probably put that in just some mayo and people can taste test it that way. And that's kind of it. So some tea is steeping. I'm going to chop chicken, chop vegetables, get that prepared. It's not until 1, so I'll wait a little bit before getting all that prepared. Um, and yeah, and then my food is set for the week. Some breakfast and some lunch going there. I've got, again, more vegetables. I'll just make some salads, some wraps or something. And then dinners is the only thing I still have to figure out. But I do know a couple of nights I'm out and doing stuff, so it'll be different dinners and whether quick or fast or whatever. So yeah, that's it. So that's it. That's all I got today. So if you want any information, you want to be the first ones to try a flavor, come over today. If eggs are off, if you can't come on April 7th, you can still be one of the first ones to try, which is great. Ooh, chicken. All right, there we go. Chicken is done. This one was just teppanyaki chicken, and so I can make more teppanyaki or I can make a different salad dressing, but that's the chicken. Good to go. 7 minutes. Chicken thighs. Eggs are done. I'll cool them off, put everything in the fridge, and then probably about noon I'll get cooking up everything, and then that's it. So if you're dropping by. If you're dropping by, hit me up, let me know, and come on by anytime between 1 and 3. Admittedly, the first hour is probably going to be I'm zooming with my team who are all over the place, and talking about the new season, talking about what happened at conference and some pretty cool things that going on for ambassadors to make things simple. Simpler it is for an ambassador, the simpler it is for you guys, for customers, hosts, cool things for hosts. And I have a cat who want to go out in the sun. And yeah, and don't forget we have that promo code is out. Don't forget about the $19.95 to join and be your own ambassador. So instead of getting that promo code once, you can get it all the time. Basically, you get your 20 to 25% back every time you purchase, or if you decide to sell with your family and friends or make it into a biz, even better, more money you make. And then you can grow your team and have some fun, or just be the savvy consumer you are and save on your grocery bills with Epicure. So there we go. All right, that's it. I'll drop off just under 15 minutes, which, woohoo. Yeah, have a happy Sunday. It's sunny here. Hopefully it's sunny where you are. And take care.